welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing an updated review on my Louis Vuitton Montsouris BB. My Samorga organizer also came in, so we'll also do a what's in my bag as well. I'll show you just how I've been using it. I'll put in the organizer, see what fits, and so on. So yeah, I just came back from running errands. I just had a optometrist appointment, and so I figured this would also be a great chance just to show y'all what my bag looks like day to day. So again, just got home, and so real life on how everything looks in here. So I will say that because this bag is so small, it's deceiving because it can carry a lot. It carries all of my daily essentials that I need, that y'all will see. But also, I don't know, I can just throw things in here. And even though it's a little disorganized, it's fine because like it's really easy to get to. So yeah, overall, I've been, of course, loving this bag. I think I share that every chance I get. Right now we have my iPhone in here, regular 13, 14, whatever number we're on. I have my new Chanel sunglasses that I recently unboxed. Absolutely obsessed with these in their case. And then Chanel small cosmetic pouch that has just my essentials. So I have the compact mirror, hand cream, purse spray. I like to keep ibuprofen on me. And then we have a lip gloss. My lip balm might have been thrown in here because it should be in here. But we have these items. Again, just bare essentials that I need. Whenever I'm on my period, I will throw a liner or a tampon, whatever I'm using, in here as well, and it'll fit perfectly. I've been asked, like, what do I do with, like, you know, feminine hygiene products during that time of month. That's what I do. I'll just throw it in here. We have my keys on the 6-key pouch. And then we have my wallet, which is the Chanel double card holder. So it has 2 slots instead of just one. So it's a little bit thicker than the average card case. So that's everything in here. And then inside, I don't know, I kind of don't mind not using a case with it, to be completely honest. I'm sorry, an organizer or with it. And I honestly was considering, I tried to just cancel the order because I figured it would probably like minimize what I could put in here. But it was too late, and I was like, well, you know, it's fine because if anything, it'll help just protect the bag when I don't use it. So let's take this out. So again, mine is from Samorga, but I also use Zumoni. Honestly, it depends. Like, it really doesn't make a difference to me which brand. I love them both. They're both great. Sometimes there are differences. So with Samorga, for a lot of their stuff, they have a like tablet holder for bags. And I think the colors match better, right? Like the interiors. So that's why I went with Samorga over Zumoni for this bag, is because I knew that their this would like match exactly right for the interior, which as you can see, it's perfect. So things like that. I think the last Samorga organizer I purchased was for the Keep All 45. Again, it matched that interior, but also they had like the laptop slit. But yeah, otherwise I recommend either or, but this one is from Samorga. So let's throw her in, and it doesn't look like it takes up much space. So one thing that I am excited for, since it did come in, is maybe whenever I sometimes have to like move things around, right? So there are times where I don't bring my cosmetic pouch with me, and I'll just take like my lip gloss, which is why it's missing from here right now. I have no idea where that thing went. But now I feel like I can put it in one of these if I just want to bring a lip gloss with me or something, and I don't want to bring the full cosmetic case. And if I'm trying to bring something like my iPad mini, right? So like, y'all know that I've was so happy that I could fit my iPad mini in here. However, when you try and put like your iPad mini, a cosmetic case, your sunglasses holder, you know, all of this, like now it won't fit. And so realistically, you have to like give, which is fine because as long as I can fit the essentials that I need, I don't care really what SLGs fit in here. I also figured it'd be nice just to like throw my key in like this. We can do that. And I know I could technically use the pouch for it, but I honestly forget about that pouch. I guess we can put my phone in that pouch. Let's do that. Now let's add my card holder. And how will that fit? It's a pretty tight, oh, it's a pretty tight fit. And it will fit. I wouldn't use this because I feel like it would pop open. I don't want to like test it, right? So if something doesn't feel right, then I won't do it. I wonder if I put like this in the middle, if that'll help. Let's try it this way. Nope. What if I put the keys here? Maybe put this in this back pocket. Let's try it this way. Yeah, so that's a lot better. So sometimes it just takes some like moving around, which I don't really mind. Like I thought I would, but I really don't if I can fit it, because typically too, I'm not digging through my bag a lot. So yeah, that is that. And then again, just for daily items that I bring with me, it's just really all these pouches and my keys. And like I'll throw my phone in when I like get somewhere typically, but for the most part it's like in my hand or in my pocket. Let's do that. And again, every day, like I'm just gonna go run some errands. This is typically what the bag will look like. But now I have that organizer, so it'll help protect the bottom of the bag. I don't see myself like reselling this. I mean, never say never, you never know. But like honestly, too, that's why I was initially going to cancel the organizer. But either way, it's going to help like with the bag and the keep the quality up. So I'm probably just keeping it in here, and it doesn't look like it's making like a difference when it comes to not using it versus using it. So I'll just keep it in here, and that way I have everything. It might actually help with keeping things together, right? Because as you can see, like I've never closed the bag like how you should. So like you can close the bag with these, like put them all together. I don't do that. I just leave it wide open, which I mean, it doesn't make a difference. And again, I like the look a lot better this way. Like, I don't know, I don't like it too much when it's closed. I like it like this. So it helps if you can see in here. I don't think y'all can. Let's see if I can, no. But it helps keep it all together. So yeah, that's the organizer. I don't know if I showed you what it looked like without throwing stuff in. Yeah, but this is what it looks like without anything in it. So nice, comfortable. It'll help definitely when I'm not using it, right, to help keep the shape of the bag. So that's ultimately too like a great a reason to get an organizer for every bag, is so that way, you know, we spend a lot of money on our bags, so it's nice to do to buy something that'll help preserve it in any way possible. So yeah, that is this. And yeah, that is a little update / review on the Montsouris BB. I haven't used any other bag unless we've been like going somewhere, like going out like for dinner. I'll switch to a clutch or something. But other than that, for like every day, this has been my everyday bag. I haven't used any other bag. I'll just take things in and out as needed. And honestly, I might use this now. I'm just like looking at it, and now that I have the organizer, keep my lip gloss in there, because I haven't been reaching towards it in my bag. So I'll just keep like my lip gloss in here, save some room, make it lighter as well. But yeah, just switching things up in here. So yeah, this will probably be what it looks like right now. If anything else, I can just throw it in. But yeah, other than that, that is updated review, the new organizer, and what I typically keep in my bag. And that is going to be it for this video. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching. If y'all have any questions on this bag, please feel free to let me know. I'm happy to answer them. I know that the Palm Springs Mini is like so popular, and I've had a few people like when I went shopping like ask me like which style is this, because I feel like it's lesser known, and so happy to answer any questions y'all have on this. So yeah, thanks guys.